Milk frothing instructions. Prepare the chilled whole milk in the milk pitcher after pressing the steam button. The indicator will pulse slowly until the steam preheating is completed. Before steaming milk, purge the steam tube for a few seconds to release any moisture and unstable steam. Place steam tube tip just below milk surface. Keep tilting the pitcher slightly to create a whirlpool after turning the knob. Stop stretching when milk expands to your desired degree. After frothing milk, wipe off milk residue immediately. Then open the steam for 2 to 3 seconds to flush out milk inside.